Connect the handle holder to the handle using the ring screw. Pass the D-ring mounting screw through the screw hole on the handle holder first, prefix the handle on the holder, and then use the pack coin driver to tighten the screw at the bottom. Remove the silicone protective cover before usage. The memory card has been installed in the device before leaving the factory. It can also be removed if necessary. The side panel can be removed to install the GPS chip, and the RTAK combo is already installed before leaving the factory. Press the button on the handle to connect it to the device. Install the external GPS on the top of the device through the GPS interface. All configuration only affects the viewing effect during scanning, not the scan data. The SD card needs to be formatted before first use. There are 3 ways to perform location verification. 1. Enable the device GPS. 2. Enable the device GPS and use cell towers. 3. Enable the device GPS and use RTAK differential data services. RTAK differential services need to be purchased separately. There are differences in the time synchronization interface between turning GPS on and off. Please refer to the actual situation. Time synchronization for the first time will take some time. Please kindly be patient. When the scan starts, please keep the device level and still. Only move each device to scan after the countdown ends. Add control point and delete control point. Switch between real-time images and point clouds. Split screen view. Switching between the 45° top view and top-down view allows you to view the initial view and trajectory line. Check the current scan results for confirmation. Pull the memory card out from the bottom of the device. Insert the memory card into the card reader. Insert the card reader into the computer. In Ray Studio's data transfer list, download the scan data. Go back to the home page and open the downloaded scanned files to process the data accordingly.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.